Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I protect my hair when I'm styling it with heat. I have not cut my hair for almost 2 years and I do probably need to get the ends trimmed, but I really try to protect it, especially when I use heat, just because the length of it, I don't want to really fry the ends and have unreversible damage to the ends. So there is a little routine that I do when I use heat on my hair. So the night before, I always try to use a oil deep conditioner, which is a treatment I do before I wash my hair, or some type of hair treatment. But when I don't have time, let's be honest, sometimes you just, at night or in the morning don't have time to condition your hair for an hour or two before you wash it. These are the products that I use and I can always rely on for a deep conditioner. Get mine at Target. They're really inexpensive. They're about less than $2 a pack. And one of these type of packs will last you like 2 treatments. On the market now too, since coconut oil has gotten really popular, the ingredient is found in a lot of hair masks that are supposed to deep condition your hair. And I do try a lot, and honestly, they say, or they might have coconut oil in them, but they don't work as good as the real thing. These though actually really do benefit your hair, and I find work very comparable to if you were to oil your hair with coconut oil. So they're both from Palmer's, and what I like is that they have no mineral oil in them. And then on the back, the second ingredient is coconut. So this first one right here is a protein pack. So it's a deep conditioner protein pack. You wash your hair, you put this on, and not only does it have coconut oil in it, but it has silk protein, keratin protein, coconut milk, so it's make your hair really soft. Second one, that's like my all-time favorite, is actually a 2-step one. So it's from the same brand, Palmer's, and again, it has no mineral oil, parabens, or sulfates in it. So what you do in the shower is you put step 1 on first, let it sink into your hair for about 5 minutes, rinse it off, and then follow up with step 2. So this one's supposed to deep condition your hair and treat it, and then this one is supposed to, the step 2 is supposed to seal what you just put on. So this one works so well. So I did wave my hair with the Duvolle 32 milliliter wand. It's really simple and easy to use. You only have to literally hold it on your hair for a few seconds, and you can do large sections, and it waves your hair really fast. So I will put this down below and with a coupon code, so if you're interested in investing in a new wand, this is definitely one of my recommendations, like a necessary step, just because it does help, is to put a heat protectant on your hair. So this one is by Tresemme. It doesn't have to be any fancy one. This one's really affordable, and it protects your hair up to 450 degrees. So the main reason you want to put something on your hair before you put heat is so that product will burn off before it burns your hair. So any heat protectant's fine. And then the only time I really brush my hair is with a paddle brush, and then I use the heat protectant, brush it through so I can get to all of the strands. But mostly to protect my hair and not to like rip it with a brush, I use a wide tooth comb. Wrap your hair starting at the top, and I do all the way to the bottom. Hold it. See, literally just did the whole bottom section. It's so fast. You could see it, it's like the waves go all the way down. So I really like this wand because I don't even think you need to hold it on your hair for 10 seconds. It gets really hot. So I would say 5 max, and then the waves come out really well. So when I do start the top layer of my hair, I like to start from the back. That way I don't miss any, and then I work my way to the front back section, wrap that over, and then again just wrap all the way to the end. Make sure the end's all the way done. I just rewrap it for a few seconds. All right, so I'm just gonna keep going all the way till I get to the front of my hair. What I really like about these type of wands is because they heat up so fast, you can curl your hair within 5 seconds, and you don't have to hold the tool on your hair for so long to burn your hair in order to get the curls. So I did my whole head. This is what I was left with. It honestly took me under 10 minutes to do all of my hair. It's always a good sign of a hot tool when you don't have to go over your hair like 2 to 3 times to get the style. And also too, once you're done with the style, the curls hold, like they're not going to go flat right away. But I do add just a little bit just because of the frizz at the top. And just last thing that I did find that really works well for your hair after you style it is adding this Palmer's coconut oil formula. So this is supposed to be actually a root spray, so you could spray it if you had braids or something, but it honestly works really good if you curl your hair too, because it puts moisture back to the hair and makes it shiny without like looking greasy or anything. Plus, if you like suffer from dry or itchy scalp, especially if you don't wash it, this one's actually going to soothe it because it has real coconut oil and peppermint oil in it. So what I do is I just literally apply it to my whole hair just to make it a little more shinier. And I do use shine spray sometimes, but what I find is better with using a coconut oil product that doesn't make your hair greasy is that you're actually getting the benefits from the oil itself. Shine spray will make your hair shinier, but it's just full of chemicals, so you know you're not going to get any benefit to help like your hair health. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm always looking for coconut oil things. Scalp, just to keep it fresh, I just spray it a little bit in the roots and then go like this. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you what the style looks like after a little while. So if you're worried if the curls are going to fall, they do get a little bit looser, but as you can see, they still hold really well. And I only put like a little bit of hairspray in. Coconut oil and using heat on your hair is just like a great duo, because the coconut oil makes it look softer, and then the style I feel like lasts longer when your hair is moisturized. So that is how I protect my hair when I'm using heat. Of course, coconut oil is my first love. Like, it's something that has really repaired my hair and has gotten it back to a healthy state. Link this down below, the Duvolle 32mm curling wand. So if you are interested, you can check it out. Everything will be listed down below. And subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.